share case studies. Now, earlier, what you had done was you had shared with people success stories. Now, share with them case studies. How is a case study different from a success story? A case study is more in depth. In a case study, you will give them more information. This was a person, we implemented this. After the first step, the sales increased by this. After the second step, the sales increased by this. And we were able to get more substantial results. And you would also give the examples of certain people who did not take up that offering and how they got a monetary loss and things. For example, you are in insurance and you would give an example. Despite repeated reminders, that person did not grab that accidental insurance. Something unfortunate happened at their factory or their office. They lost out on a lot of money. Had they invested just a small amount on their insurance, and the case would have been completely different today. By doing these things, you would create that image upon the mind of the person that they should also do it. They should also take that action. The realization, this is also one more way of creating that realization, of getting that realization. And because of this, you would be able to get more chances for it. So think about what you would be able to send in a success story. What do you want to share in a success story? And what do you want to share in a case study? Go really deep and then you do it. Thank you so much for addressing and the idea. Entirely my pleasure. Now you implement it. And what I do is I have shared a lot of case studies with people earlier. There was a person who was going for his interview. We told him about the program. He never enrolled for the program. 1 month later, his US visa was denied for the second time. And then he came running that now I want to become a part of the program. And we asked him, when is your next interview for US? He says, I have no idea, but I want to be prepared this time around. There was one more girl. We had no idea. We were not even following up upon that person. One day she just came, she just looked for our page and she enrolled for our program. And then when we called her to guide her, why did she enroll? She said that today I was humiliated in my class by my students. I realized that I need to work upon my communication skills. My team told her that we told you the same thing and she had no answers. So unfortunately, that is what happens. We are working on a preventive mechanism and not on a mechanism which is known as preemptive. That's extremely essential. Today I am attending from my Siliguri side. I have to close the sale tomorrow. Good, please do it. Implement all the things that we have told you and get the sale done and share the news with us. Okay. Share case studies, people. And when you will share the case studies, you would then realize that because of the case studies, you will get more people realize, okay, now I need to do it. Now I need to take this action. Unfortunately, we take action when we have the final opportunity. Once we have that sword hanging upon us, whether it is filling a form, whether it is paying a bill, whether it is giving an interview, whether it is about taking any other opportunity, we only do it when we are like so very close. You get that? And because we are so very close, only then will we be able to get chances. Will we be able to get more results and get more opportunities? Is that clear with everybody, people? Right. So, importance of case studies during follow-up.